Hello, dear friends. I hope you all are doing good. So, today in this video, we are gonna build something very interesting within a very less time. So, without further ado, let me show you what we are gonna do. In this video today, we will be building this project uh, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And a person who has basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can understand this project. And the project name is message like feature. So you all have must seen this scenario, like whenever we uh, double click on the message, it likes the message, right? If we double click again, it removes this heart symbol. So the same feature we are gonna build today. Nothing extra, nothing too much complex. It will be very simple if you have the knowledge of uh, basic JavaScript like if and else condition and CSS knowledge. Definitely will be able to crack it out and will make it very beautiful. So before doing that, I just want to show you the demo for the same. So this is how it looks. This is in like state. If I double click, it will dislike it. Okay, if I again double click on it, it will like the message. So the same thing we are gonna build. So I just don't want to take much of your time. I want to make the video very short. So let's jump to the VS Code editor and let's start with this. So I have created a folder, and inside that I have a HTML file. I'll just have a snippet, code snippet for HTML, a basic structure. uh, Over here, what I'll do, I'll just add a div. Okay, a container with class name. With class name, what will be the class name? The class name will be container. Okay, so this is the shortcut. All right, inside that we will have another div, and the div will be responsible for message card. Okay, we have a message card, and inside that we will have what? We'll have uh inside that we'll have a paragraph, and inside that paragraph we'll have the message as what will the message will be this this is a message. Okay, so this will be the first container, and below that we'll have the second container. And in that container, what we'll have the span, and inside span we'll have a I tag. Okay, that is responsible for showing the heart symbol. Okay, so class, and this will be what? Like icon. Okay, so this will be like icon over here. And and over here we'll have I and its class. Let's keep it simple. We'll close it, and the class name will be fa favy icon and fa heart. Favy icon and fa heart. Okay, let's see the output as of now, what it is looking like. So we'll see the output over here. uh, See, the output is looking like this. This is a message, not a heart symbol. This is looking very weird. So I'll in order to have a heart symbol, we should have the link to show it. So I'm gonna paste the link over here. So this will do what? This will make us available all the font or something. Okay, and we are gonna using fa heart. If now if we go, we'll see the heart symbol. Okay, now it is in black color. We'll make it red and we'll give some look to this. So if you can remember the design was somehow, it was in the center, and we'll have the red heart. Okay, so let's start that. So in order to start that, what we'll do, we'll attach a css file, style.css. We'll directly go here. Okay, we'll create a file and we'll start writing css. Okay, so we have container. Firstly, we'll write css for container to make it center. So what we'll do, we'll add the css container. So width will be let's have it 122 pixel, and display will be flex. We are gonna use flex so that it will be center aligned, and flex direction will be column, because we have two. If we focus, we have kind of two container. This is the first container, this is the second container. So these two should be on the top of I mean the message should be on the top of like button. Okay, so then only we can do that. Okay, flex direction is the column, and margin will be margin, we are going to keep it as auto to make it center from top and bottom as well. So let's see how does it look like. So this is how it is looking like. Okay, we are now able to make it center on from top level. Okay, now we'll decorate it, the card, the message card alone. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just copy this message card and quickly write CSS for this message card. Okay, what all we are gonna do, width will be 120 pixel. Okay, border will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid, solid uh, white, let's say white. I don't want any border line. And border radius, we want border radius for the container. Will have some corner for this. Border radius will be 8 pixel, let's have it 8 pixel. Okay, we do not want all these different CSS over here. And padding, we want some padding. Okay, padding for the message box, 0 pixel and 1 2 pixel. This is shorthand for uh, top bottom and left right. So top bottom will be 0 pixel and left right will be 12 pixel. Okay, and box shadow. Okay, box shadow, we are gonna use box shadow as well. So box shadow will have the value 0 pixel and 2 pixel and 4 pixel. This is what. And we'll have a CSS value, I mean we are gonna use RGB, and its value is like this. I'm just copying it from somewhere and you can just see the value. Cursor will be pointer. As soon as we hover on the message card, it will be pointer, it will show like we can click on this. Okay, and margin top will be 50 pixel, let's have it some margin. Now let's go and see what is it looking like. Oh wow, now it's looking something good. Okay, but uh, this heart symbol is now in black color, so we'll fix that. So now message card is on this place and it is looking good. Let's add some CSS for this like button. It's in black, we'll make it red. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this class. Okay, so that we can target it and just add the CSS. So what will the CSS will be very simple. The width will be 5 pixel. Okay, and the color for this like heart button, a heart symbol will be red. Okay, if we go and check the output, what will be the output? Let's see. Oh nice, very nice. This is what we wanted to do, that right? Okay, now we are done with the HTML and CSS part. Now let's add what? Now let's add, uh, it's time for what? JS. Yes guys, JS. We'll add JS, JavaScript, to make it functional. If we focus on this, if we look here, if we double click, it's not this message, I mean the heart icon is not going away, it is still same as whatever it is looking. We'll make it functional. As we double click on this message, this heart icon should go away, and again if we double click, it should come back. Okay, so how we can do that? Using simply JavaScript. So we'll have a very simple JavaScript. What we'll do, firstly we'll target this message card. Okay, message card, so that if we double click on this, we'll be able to do some operation. So what we are gonna do, firstly we are gonna target this message card. Const message card equals to document dot query selector. Will do what? Query selector and message card. So we'll have the access to this message card. And now again I just want to target the like icon as well, like icon as well. And here again we'll just do with the help of document dot query selector, and again what will be the class? class icon, like icon. Okay, we have targeted this message card. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna add some event listener. And what is that? db click. Okay, db dbl click. So as soon as user double clicks, we need some function to be triggered, and inside that function what we are gonna do, we are gonna do such operation. What is that? We'll firstly find the uh, computed style. Okay, computed style, and we will get the value from with the help of a function get computed style. And what style we are gonna check? So see, this icon is in visible state, right? So with the help of this code, we'll able to get what's the value. Is it in display none or display block? So this value will provide us all the value, and with the respect of that, we'll do some operation. Now what is the second value that we are going to do? uh, Current display. What is it? So what we'll do, computed style dot get property value and display. See, we have got the value, all the values of that like icon. And now what current value we are gonna check? We are just checking what is the value of display. So see, if I inspect it and just show you, so as of now display is inline block. Okay, and if I just add display none, so it will go away. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do. Okay, so this this current display value will provide us that value if it is in display is block or inline block or none. Okay, now we'll have a very simple condition: current display equals to what is it? Block. If it is block, then we just simply need to add what? Like icon dot style dot, one second, like icon dot style dot, oh god, like icon dot style dot display. We are gonna change the display value. If it is in block, means the icon is visible. If icon is visible, we are gonna make it what? Invisible. I mean, we are gonna remove that. So what we'll do, we'll add the value none. Okay, this part is done. In the else block, we'll again, in the else block, what we'll do, if it is not in block state, block value, it means it is in none. Okay, the value of the current display is none. So what we'll do, like again, we are gonna just copy this. Okay, and we'll paste it over here. Now this time what we'll do, this time, okay, let me remove this line alone. This time instead of none, we should have block. Okay, let me explain you this code. So once we double click on the message card, so we'll get all these value. We'll check what is the value of that heart icon. Is it visible or not? So here we are checking if it is visible. If it is visible, we are making it invisible. Okay, if condition gets failed, it means it will come into the else block. So that means the heart icon is not visible. If heart icon is not visible, we'll make it visible. Okay, that's the concept. Okay, now let's go to the output and see what is happening over here. So we have this icon visible. If we double click on it, this is going away. If you again double click on it, it is coming back. So this is what the expected result was. Okay, so we did this and it was very simple. I hope you liked it and you learned some new concept from this video. And if you did learn something new, you should like this video. So I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are visiting my channel, I have lots of other videos available related to projects for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so I have already done that, so I'll pass you the link of that playlist. You should visit all the videos. You should watch and you should evaluate yourself and you should learn something new. If you are new to this channel, definitely you should subscribe my channel. I hope you will definitely do it to motivate me, and I'll bring up seriously, I'm telling you, I will bring up more and more interesting videos which will be very simple, but definitely that will teach you some new concept by that video. Okay, so okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.